Today I'm making paper beads. I will need 3 things to start out with: glue stick, a pencil, and scissors. And then I'll take some scraps of paper. I have this scrapbook paper that someone donated to me, which I think will be good for making paper beads. And I'm going to cut the paper into a long, skinny triangle. So just like that, I have a long, skinny triangle. I'm going to flip it over because I want the picture to show on the outside. I'm going to take my pencil and put it near the bottom, the widest part of the triangle. I'm going to grab my glue stick. And actually, before I start gluing, I want a placemat to protect the table so don't get glue all over. And I'm going to glue the top half of my skinny triangle. So the whole top part, and really put the glue on there. Now I'm going to start at the bottom here. Using the pencil, I'm going to roll the paper around the pencil and roll it up, up, up. I have to be really careful because I want the triangle to stay in the middle. I don't want it to start moving off to the sides. I want it to stay right in the middle. So keep that point right in the middle. Roll it up around the pencil. The reason we're using a pencil is that so we have a hole big enough to make jewelry with these beads. And once it's all rolled up, just make sure it's glued on okay. And then you can slide it off the pencil. And here's my first paper bead. So I'll show you again. Take a piece of paper, cut it into a long, skinny triangle. So I'm kind of cutting up at an angle. Flip it over. Glue the top half. Put your pencil on the bottom and start carefully rolling it up around the pencil, keeping the triangle in the middle. Make sure it's stuck together good, pull it off. There's another bead. Now you can also create your own color beads. I have some metallic markers and I'll have regular markers too. And you can color your own triangles to make paper beads as well. So I want you to try both today. I want you to try coloring some of your own beads, and I want you to try making some beads with the scrap paper. And for these ones, you just cut them right out. If you don't use all of the triangles on one piece of paper, you can just put it back for somebody else to use. Glue the top half, roll it up. And there's another paper bead. I like how the ones that you color turn out, so I want you to try those. Make as many beads as you can today, and next time we'll make jewelry out of them.